Hello viewers, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to give an idea to make a perfect Indian lunch or dinner recipe. That is delicious Kofta Curry Recipe. Learn how to make mouth-watering Kofta Curry, a classic Indian dish that is rich, flavorful and perfect for lunch or dinner. This homemade Kofta Curry is made with spices dumpling in a creamy, aromatic gravy. Whether you are looking for family or guests, this recipe is sure to impress. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making aloo kofta: paneer, potato, salt, pepper powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, chopped coriander leaves, corn flour and oil. Preparation method: take a bowl and add 100 grams of grated paneer. Then add 2 numbers of grated boiled potato. Add salt as per your need and add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then add half teaspoon of coriander powder and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 teaspoon of corn flour and add oil as per your need and mix it well. Make equal size small balls using your palm. Take a kadai and add oil and heat it. Move the shaped balls into the kadai and deep fry it on both the sides until it becomes crispy and reach golden brown color. Then move the fried aloo kofta to a serving plate and add rich gravy and mayo on the top of it, and then garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Crispy and delicious aloo kofta is ready to serve as side dish for pulka or roti. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.